How to adjust the brightness on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. Here, go to the Brightness section. You can adjust the phone brightness level from here. Drag the slider to the right to make the screen brighter and vice versa. Alternatively, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the Control Center. The Control Center provides quick access to frequently used settings and apps. You will see a group of icons over here. Go to the brightness icon and adjust the brightness level from here. Hold and drag it upwards to increase the brightness, or downwards to decrease it. Following these steps, you can easily adjust the brightness on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.